wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, meron naman ako share sa inyo. Ito naman yung pagbuo ng Capiz native parol. So ito yung papakita ko sa inyo guys is ano pa lang siya guys, water wash pa lang. Wala pa siyang kulay. So ang una natin gagawin guys is pipikitihin natin yung Capiz, pagdikit-dikitin. And then mamaya bubuhin natin siya na parang pyramid.
Never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not.
So ayan na siya guys, ididikit-dikit na natin siya, ipoform na natin siya ng pyramid.
I'll be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going live, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
And then kapag na-form na natin yung pyramid guys, kapag dikit-dikitin naman natin siya sa 5, puporma natin siyang pentagon para magmumukha siyang star.
Back a year ago. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate.
And then pag na-form naman yung star guys, so lalagyan naman natin ngayon ng wire, yung pabilog na wire. para doon naman ikakapit yung kapis na panglabas na kapis. Ang tawag na doon ay palikpik. So ngayon mayroon ng wire guys, ayun nakikita nyo. So yan, mag-i-start na siya ngayon maglagay ng kapis panlabas. So lalagyan niya ng palikpik yung parol.
Between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
And then pagkatapos natin ikabit yung mga kapis guys, yung palikpik, so lalagyan ulit natin siya ng wire panlabas para tumibay siya. So yun yung pinaka outer frame niya, yung ilalagay nating wire na panlabas.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
So ayun na guys, pagkatapos natin mailagay yung wireframe na panlabas, lalagyan na natin siya ngayon ng tangkay para magkaroon siya ng sabitan. So ito na yung pinaka-hook niya guys, yung tangkay niya. And then pagkatapos natin mailagay yung pinaka-hook niya guys, susunod naman natin ngayon paglagay ng brace guys. Lalagyan natin ng wire simula dito sa katawan ng parol papunta doon sa frame sa labas para lalo siyang tumibay. And then pagkatapos natin mailagay yung mga brace guys, gagawa na naman tayo ngayon ng takip para doon sa parol. So itong takip na to guys, ito yung didesign na natin ng Holy Family. So wala pa ito dito guys kasi water wash pa lang ito. Doon sa isang video yun makikita nyo kung paano ilalagay yung Holy Family dyan sa takip, kung paano siya i-design. So tapos natin mabuo yung ating native parol guys. So ito na siya. Okay, maraming salamat sa panonood guys. God bless us all.